If you've noticed tiny flies hovering around your houseplants, you might be dealing with fungus gnats. Here's how to spot fungus gnats, get rid of them, and keep them from coming back. Fungus gnats are tiny insects that are less than a quarter-inch long. They are commonly found around houseplants and are often mistaken for mosquitoes. Overwatering is the main cause of fungus gnat infestations. These pests are attracted to moist potting soil where they lay their eggs. Other factors include leaving fruit out and not taking out the trash regularly. To prevent fungus gnats, allow the soil in your houseplants to dry out between waterings. Ensure your pots have proper drainage to avoid excess moisture. Before bringing outdoor plants inside, check them for insects and be sure to use the best soil for planting or repotting your plants. Create a homemade gnat trap by mixing a tablespoon of sugar and a few drops of liquid dish soap with a cup of white vinegar. Pour the mixture into a bowl, cover it tightly with cling wrap, poke some holes in the wrap, and place it near your houseplant. This trap should help catch the pests overnight. Hang sticky paper traps from the branches of your plant or place them onto the soil, avoiding contact with the leaves. These traps help reduce the adult gnat population, directly affecting the number of eggs laid in the soil. Check the traps regularly and replace them as they become full. If gnats are a recurring problem, consider using an indoor insect trap. Many traps come in stylish designs suitable for indoor use, helping you control the gnat population effectively. Regularly monitor your houseplants for signs of fungus gnats. Early detection and prompt action are key to keeping your plants healthy and your home gnat-free.